Sac Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 10 by 10 board. Place white's pawns on their third row. On their second row, from left to right, set up judge, rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook, judge. And on the third row, chancellor, archbishop, sailor, amazon, missionary, missionary, amazon, sailor, archbishop, chancellor. Mirror this setup for black. The judge moves like a knight and king. The chancellor moves like a knight and rook. The archbishop moves like a knight and bishop. The sailor moves like a rook and king. The amazon moves like a knight and queen. The missionary moves like a bishop and king. Pawns are still allowed their double-step move option, and en passant is allowed like normal. Pawns still promote when reaching the farthest row, and they are allowed to promote to any new piece if you want. Castling is allowed like normal. It just happens on your second row instead of your first. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.